Hey guys, Jude Alpine Companies. Today we're going to be pouring a sister pad next to a couple of these pads. It's just kind of a little bit of preventative. It's up here in the mountains, so these pads are pretty solid, but to be safe, we're going to do a sister pad next to this. We got our rebar drilled and doweled. It's epoxied into this footing. We're going to get this guy poured. Just going to be a little insurance that this pad isn't going to ever shift. I'm going to do the same down to this pad here. I'm going to have a few videos to this project. You can follow along on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link, and you can watch this series of videos as well as over 2,000 others. Thanks for watching. Little sister pad on a footing. See you guys on the next video.